Beryl, Beryl, Beryl is my school, best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Beryl, Beryl.
Good day, lovely pupils of grade 1. How are you doing? You're welcome to another class on mathematics, right? Today we'll be looking at subtraction on weight. Subtraction on weight. Alright, subtraction on weight is the same with normal subtraction. The only difference is the symbol or the letters you are seeing here. K representing kilogram and G representing gram. Every other thing remains the same. The same method you use in your normal subtraction of numbers, the same method we are going to apply here. Alright? So we are starting with example 1 here. Example 1, we have here 352 kilograms minus 242 kilograms. 352 kilograms minus 242 kilograms. Alright, starting from the unit column, we have the 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, or 2 take away 2. So we count 2, 1, 2, and then we take away 2, 1, 2. So what's left? Nothing. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Then we move to the tens column. We have the 5 minus 4. 5 take away 4, or 5 minus 4. So what are we going to do? We are going to count 5 and then take away 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's left? 1. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1. The next one we have there is 3 minus 2. 3, take away 2. So what are we going to do? We are going to count 3 and take away 2. So count with me. 1, 2, 3. And then we take away 2. 1, 2. So what's left? 1. So 3 take away 2 is what? 1. And then we have here 352 kilograms minus 242 kilograms, giving us 110 kilograms. Alright. Next, we are going to look at example 2. Alright, example 2. We have here 940 kilograms minus 535 kilograms. 940 kilograms minus 535 kilograms. Alright, starting with our unit column, we have the 0 minus 5. 0, take away 5. Any number, what we have here is 0. 0 is less than 5. You can't take away a lesser number, a bigger number from a lesser number. So what do? We are going to make this number greater than or bigger than the one down. So what are we going to do? We are going to get 1 or borrow 1 from the next column, which is the unit column. The number there is 4. So we are going to borrow 1 from this 4 and then add to this 0. Please remember that the one you are borrowing from 4 is called 1/10. It's just like saying you are borrowing 10 to add to the number at the unit column. So what we are borrowing here actually is 1, but in the real sense is 1/10. So when you add 10 to 0, you have 10. That is why the 1 is always written here. So what we have? Alright, what we have here now is 10. So 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. So we are going to count 10 and take away 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 5. So we take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we count the remaining strokes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Alright? So please remember that we took 1 from here, which we added to this other number. So what is now left here is what? 3, no more 4. Always bear that at the back of your mind. So now what we have left is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. We are going to count 3 and take away 3. So count with me. 1, 2, 3. And then we take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So what's left? Nothing. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Alright. Then we move to the tens column. We have the 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 9 take away 5 or 9 minus 5. So we are going to use count 9 and take away 5. Please ensure that all this rough calculation is done in your rough work. Alright. You shouldn't mess up your work by counting in your exercise book. The counting should be done in your rough work. So now count with me. You're going to count 9 and take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we count the remaining strokes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. So 940 kilograms minus 535 kilograms gives us what? 405 kilograms. Alright? Then we are going to look at example 3. In example 3, we have 732 grams minus 620 grams. 732 grams minus 620 grams. Starting from our unit column, we have there 2 minus 0. 2 take away 0. So we are going to count 2, 1, 2, and then take away nothing. So if you take away nothing, so what will be left? 2 will be left. Also, let me bring to your knowledge or remind you that any number minus 0 is that number. Any number minus 0 is that number. If you have 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. And so on. Next we are going to look at the 10th column. We have the 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So we are going to count 3 and take away 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to take away 2. 1, 2. So what's left? 1. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Next we have 7 minus 6. So we are going to count 7 and take away 6. Count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's left? 1. So 7 minus 6 is what? 1. Oh, now 732 grams minus 620 grams gives us what? 112 grams. Next we're going to look at example 4. Example 4, we have 318 grams minus 103 grams. 318 grams minus 103 grams. So starting from our unit column, we have the 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. We are going to count 8 and take away 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we count the remaining ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. And then next we have 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Remember I told you any number minus 0 is that number. So 1 minus 0 is what? 1. And then next we have 3 minus 1. 3, take away 1. So we're going to count 3 and take away 1. 1, 2, 3. And then you take away 1, 1. Count the remaining ones. We have 1, 2. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So 318 grams minus 103 grams gives us what? 215 guess you've been following up what we have been doing. So we are going to call it a day at this point, but I'm going to give you just few assignments. Please ensure you do them. Alright, here are the few questions I have for your homework. Number 1, 820 grams minus 710 grams. And number 2, 643 grams minus 223 grams. And number 3, 521 kilograms minus 223 kilograms. And number 4, 874 kilograms minus 352 kilograms. Alright, with this we come to the end of our class for today. Please ensure you keep safe and remain good children I've always known. Until our next class, I remain Mr. Godwin Ania, your mathematics teacher. Goodbye for now.